A very unique Chinese specialty. Something sweet and savory, hot and cold at the same time. Hindi mo maintindihan ano siya. Hot prawn salad. Let's start cooking. This is a very interesting Chinese restaurant dish which I enjoyed since bata pa ako. Kasi parang siyang fruit salad, then biglang may parang siyang shrimp tempura on top or nakahalo sa kanya. So, we are doing now our fruit salad portion of this dish. So, it's a combination of mayonnaise. Here, we have our condensed milk and all-purpose cream. Combine lang natin, season with some salt, and we add our fruit cocktail. So, very important, i-drain mo ng maayos yung fruit cocktail na hindi na siya wet, no? Hindi na siya nagdi-drip ng kanyang juice or syrup. And you can chill this for the moment. Very important na chilled yung fruit cocktail. So, you can use the tropical fruit cocktail or the imported fruit cocktail, yung premium. And I will put that in the chiller for a while. So, ngayon gagawin naman natin yung ating batter, which is very simple to make. So, I will just combine, ito siya, may water and egg white. Combine ko lang siya. Yan. I will also combine my cornstarch, my flour, all-purpose flour, salt, and baking powder. Sobrang dali. Yan, mix natin. I'll just mix that together. Make a light batter, no? So, hindi siya thick. Tingnan mo. Very watery siya, ganyan lang siya. It doesn't even have to be smooth. Kahit may lumps, it's okay. And very important, yung gamit mo ay cold water. So, I'm using cold water. And I will season my shrimp with salt. Dapat may seasoning ng ating salt, no? So, parang assembly line tayo. Shrimp, dredge in flour. So, hindi siya parang tempura na straight, ha? Naka-curl lang siya. And wiggle, 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 wiggle. Fry. Yan. Ito, you can make the salad ahead of time. And ito siya, you prepare this last minute. Kasi hot siya, mainit siya na hot, hindi siya hot na spicy. So everything plays in your mouth, yung textures, yung flavors, ang saya-saya, and feeling mo Pasko. And it's a premium dish kasi medyo mahal naman yung prawns, kaya gamit natin ay shrimp lang. And crunchy talaga to dahil may cornstarch. Kasi kung puro lang siyang harina, mas mabilis siyang kumunat. Yan. Fry, fry, fry. And once it's crisp and golden, tabi natin siya. And to come to think of it, parang tempura na rin siya, no? Kung nagkikrave ka ng tempura, ito na yung base recipe na gawin mo. Very easy to do. But it's more Chinese than Japanese. So, yan. Let the excess oil drip off, and we will clean up our station. So, chilled din yung ating salad. And hindi to para dito. Ito, plato ko para sa titikim ako. And usually, ganyan. May paletos-letos siya kasi salad nga eh. Nag-set na siya ng konti. We will add it to the bottom. So, kung isipin mo, it's like a sweet mayonnaise. You know, parang mayonnaise dressing lang siya. Pero, yung nangyayari sa kanya, nagiging sweet siya when you bite into the fruit. Kasi yung dressing natin hindi masyadong matamis, mas maraming mayonnaise. Ang condensed milk, parang alalay lang siya sa lasa, no, to make it more linamnam. Let's arrange our shrimp on top. Usually, ang ginagawa is i-toss talaga nila with all our salad. But today, topping ko lang siya para it will stay nice and beautiful. Kitang-kita natin yung prawns. Tama yung ninuto ko, di ba? Tama lang siya kasi may isa para sa akin. Oh! I will get my salad. My prawn. Are you ready? I am ready. I'm always ready to taste. Sarap yun. Parang napaaga yung Pasko ko ngayon. Kasi feeling Christmas or the holidays ako because of this dish. Kaya try this recipe at home. So if any one of you makes this before the holiday season, post yun dito sa ating video, sa ating comment section, and use the hashtag Simple Hot Prawn Salad. Ating very simple recipe for the day. Bring this to a potluck. Prepare it for a weekend dinner or lunch with your family. Ating hot prawn salad. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!